I'm transforming myself every day, and I can experience that transformation. When I have come onto this platform Shubhvardhan, I'm seeing lot many transformations and changes in me, and it's required to everyone. Do you all know where is your money going? And the money which is being deducted in terms of tax before you receive your salary, it's been deducted in terms of tax by government. And why it doesn't happen with rich people? They don't pay tax. They have an option for tax free. We don't have that option. Middle people, medium people don't have that option, because the tax which goes to the government, it's a revenue, and this revenue gets a lot of revenue gets from the middle people, medium people, or the poor people, and it's a cycle. So do you know that? If you know that, can you do anything? No, you can't do anything, because it's a rule, right? So then what can you do? How to get rid of this? To get rid of this is only one thing: to become rich. Grow yourself. Because when you grow, when you earn riches, you will know the world. Because medium or middle class is like, you trade your time, you take an action, you go for a job, and you get the money in terms of salary, or you must say self-employed. You work and you get money. This is for the survival. Like, you are getting food, shelter, and clothing. That's it. You're not growing. You're not moving forward. So you're not showing anything to the world that you are growing, and you are not showing the potential. So you have to think whether you are in the poor attitude, whether you are in the wish attitude, whether you are in the medium attitude, whether you are in the whole attitude. You're whole in abundance. Right? So please understand the change in you. Know the platform. I'm here on this platform. I'm transforming myself every day, and I can experience that transformation. When I have come onto this platform Shubhvardhan, I'm seeing lot many transformations and changes in me, and it's required to everyone.